Hey everyone, so got two things for this video. If you don't know, Super Mario Galaxy 1 and 2 months ago was released on the Switch as basically both of them on the same cart, kind of like what I forget the Crafton when they released Subnautica on the Switch. We got both Subnautica and Subnautica Below Zero on the same cart, so they did that with Galaxy. Plus, it's also the 40th anniversary for Mario, I think. Yeah, and as of, it's the third today, but the first was when the new Super Mario Galaxy movie came out, which I'm actually seeing today with a friend. But because they released Mario Galaxy on the Switch, there's a bunch of different Amiibo in line. Two of which, well, at least I think these were the only ones that they were releasing. I know how to English, but you got Mario and Luma, and then the obvious Rosalina in Luma. These, like, you gotta admit, these things are massive compared to a base Amiibo. I'll get like a basic one to show you. But yeah, I'm going to quickly do that, which should give me a screenshot. Okay, so I'm going to unbox them carefully. We'll start off with Mario. These things never look nice. I don't really have nails. I'm gonna use my keys. That works. Tear that off quickly. So, for all of you who do not know, I absolutely despise these fucking container packs. It would probably help if I undid this. I did not see that. Come on. Get out. Come on, there we go. Is that the only one? Yes. Okay. Okay, that actually opened nice for once. Just a matter of being. There we go. Okay. So, jeez, my phone's already getting warm. The base is obviously the same, but yeah, basically this platform that he's on is the first, like, level you jump into when you take this to the booster. I don't fucking know what to call it, but yeah. Oh shit. The overall quality of these things are getting better, even in size, which we are still, not even kidding, waiting for the Zonai Construct amiibo for Tears of the Kingdom that they announced, what, I think back in 2024? And we haven't heard a single thing from them, period. So it's like, I don't know if they've gone back on the idea of doing it, or they're trying, or they're not trying, maybe they're having difficulties finalizing the design, or they got a bunch of prototypes and trying to figure out one that isn't going to bust apart easily. Yeah, I'll do the Rosalina one now. Collectors out there probably being all like, why are you opening these? These are like a once in a blue moon, like, collector's thing. Guess what? I don't care. I've opened up every single one of my amiibo that I have gotten over the years. The only one I haven't opened is my Alt 2 Cloud, which is his Advent Children outfit. But yeah, we got Rosalina and her Lumas surrounding her as she reads the book based on her backstory, which made the mistake of looking through Twitter. No, I'm not calling it by what's his face wants it to be called. I ended up getting hit by major spoiler by like 2 different frames. I'm not gonna say what it is, but yeah. Anyway, her design is really nice too. Got a good weight to him as well. But yeah, let's try to get just a basic amiibo or reference. So, standard Smash Bros. Link amiibo. Whoops. Just clarify, they still have the same base, it's just yeah, that's definitely a size difference. Even these, the Kirby Air Rider ones, are big and whatnot. Like Meta Knight, we've got King DDD that's coming out. I don't know if that's actually got a release date for here yet. On the Tank Star, and then we have Noir DDD and Sword Kirby on the Dragoon and the Hydra. Those have only been released in Japan. so far. I haven't heard any news of them being, like, them even releasing them here. But, yeah, like, other big ones that they released was, you know, DK was pretty big. The, Guardian was pretty big in size. Ganondorf was, like, so-so. That was a decent size. I don't know where Wolflink is. I don't know, he's right here. Yeah. For those of you who don't know, that's that there. All of those. These. And that are my Amiibo collection. Now, these. And yeah, I got plushies here. Kerbo from Turbo Montage. A bunch of Point Crow ones. Tater Tot. I got Colt Doodle. Egg Doodle. Pride Doodle on the back. I got a Snow Doodle. Just a Pumpkin Cat. Kerbo. Oh, he doesn't want to stay now. Crumb. And I forget the name of this one, but that's one of the mascots of a VTuber. I'm not sure the name. But, yeah, that's those. If you're, like, if you're a Nintendo fan, and you're looking, and, like, you're a fan of Mario, like the Galaxy series, whatever, do pick these up. Honestly, they are worth the price, which I think was, let's see here. The receipt. They're worth the $39, Mario. Yeah, it's the same thing with the Curvier Riders Amiibo. They're worth the price. They're solid builds. None of them are hollow. They also basically bonus in as a you know, just a statue that you get and everything. Yeah.